Hello everyone, this is Maria Timberlake, Vice President of Senior Living here at John Knox Village. I'm here today to share with you some important information about our COVID-19 vaccination booster clinics that will be held later this month. The booster clinics will take place the week of May 23rd. If you got your first 2 vaccines and or your first booster through John Knox Village, and you do want the second booster, there is no need to contact us. We're assuming that you're going to continue on through the process with us. If you got your first 2 vaccines and or first booster through JKV, but you do not want the booster, please let us know by calling or emailing Ginger Warner. She can be reached at 816-347-2031 or at gwarner, GWARNER, at jkv.org. Again, if you want to get the booster with us, no need to call. But if you, for instance, have already gotten your booster someplace else, just call us and let us know. If you have chosen not to get vaccinated or you got your previous vaccine somewhere other than John Knox Village, we will not be scheduling you. And if you're new to the village, since our initial vaccination and or booster clinics, just please call or email Ginger again at 816-347-2031 or gwarner at jkv.org so we can determine the best course of action for you. So residents will get an individualized yellow flyer informing them of the date, time, and location of their clinic. Those flyers will be delivered Thursday, May 19th and Friday, May 20th. So some residents will be provided transportation and some will not. It depends on the location of the clinic. For some residents, it just makes more sense to walk to the clinic. If you are in an area where we are providing transportation, but you prefer to walk to the clinic or drive yourself, that's okay. We just ask that you stick to the time frame assigned to you on your flyer. And we're not going to have staff rounding people up to get on the bus. So if you are taking the bus, please be on the watch for its arrival so that you don't miss the bus. We ask that you try to do your part in being prepared for the clinic. So prior to the clinic, please make sure you have copies of the front and back of your current Medicare, medical, and pharmacy insurance cards. They should be copied on 8.5 by 11, and you don't need to cut it into a little piece or anything like that. Just bring it on 8.5 by 11, and then be sure to bring your official vaccination card that you got when you got your first 2 shots and your first booster, and we can get that updated at the clinic. If you've misplaced your vaccination card, you can get a replacement through a CVS pharmacy. And good news, we've already started the paperwork for you, so there'll be some last-minute questions and a signature required on the day of the shot, but that's it. And the booster clinics will be offering the Moderna vaccine only, as we have done with our past clinics, and Cimbria is our pharmacy partner for the booster clinics. So Monday, May 23rd, the location of the clinic will be Places Restaurant. The Villager East, Villager West, and Villager North building residents will be included in that clinic, and we're just going to assume that you're going to walk down to the clinic. We will be providing the bus for the residents of Manor 1 and for those north side cottage streets, Willow, Faith, the 1900 units of Peace Parkway, the 600 units of Shamrock, Lilac, Redbud, Joy, Rose Court, Shamrock Circle, and Shady Circle. So again, we'll be sending the bus. That information will be detailed on your yellow flyer, but if you choose to walk or drive yourself, that is okay too. Just come at the time frame you've been assigned. The second day of our booster shot clinic will be Wednesday, May 25th at the Pavilion. We'll be having the residents of the B building and C building. Again, we're going to assume that you're going to walk over to the pavilion as you did the last time around. By bus, we will service the residents of Meadows West, East, and South, F, G, and H buildings, and Villa 1. Again, if you prefer to drive or walk yourself, that is fine. Just be on the lookout for the bus if that is your plan of transportation. The third and final day of our booster shot clinic will be held Thursday, May 26th at the Pavilion. The residents of A Building, D Building, and Lindbergh can walk over to the vaccination clinic, and we will be sending a bus for the residents on Peach, Cherry, and the 1900 units of O'Brien, O'Brien Circle, Shamrock Place, Shamrock Lane, the 200 units, Killarney, Quail Trail, Larkspur, Craigmont, Hope Lane, and the 18 and 1900 units on Shamrock Avenue. Again, you would be able to drive or walk if you prefer, but we will be sending the bus. And please refer to your yellow flyer with your exact time for arrival or pickup at the clinic. As an added reminder, please be sure to bring copies of your current Medicare card and your pharmacy and health insurance card copied on a sheet of 8.5 by 11 paper. And don't forget, bring your official vaccination card so we can get that up to date. And again, you'll receive your flyer. That won't be delivered till the 19th or 20th because it's a lot to juggle through all those schedules. We ask that you don't show up at a place, date, or time that you are not scheduled because we will not have your paperwork there for you. And I think it goes without saying, if you have COVID, have been exposed to COVID, or have COVID-like symptoms on vaccination day, we ask that you call us, call Public Safety at 816-347-2150 because we will not be able to give you your vaccine that day. And then due to transportation needs for the booster clinics, the grocery bus will be canceled on Wednesday, May 25th, in order for us to be able to provide transportation to the clinic. So, see you soon. Bye.